Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk about buy now, pay later. Now, I know we have the coronavirus right now, you guys, so I know a lot is going on that a lot of people are not able to really buy gifts right now, but they are getting paid, so they're able to structure their payments, but just paying everything at once for Christmas right now is just hard. So there's options out there where you can do like a buy now, pay later, and they can break your payments up into 4 and you can pay bi-weekly every 2 weeks, 25% of whatever you bought. So I'm definitely going to show you guys multiple companies that allow this. It's over 4 different companies I'm going to show you guys. So if this is something that you're interested in, definitely stick around. Make sure you guys are thumbs up the video, subscribe. Let me know what video you guys want me to make next. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop them down below. Now, don't forget, we talk about credit and building your credit and, credit cards. So some of these companies actually report to the credit bureaus, but some of them don't report. So if you're looking to get one of these accounts just because you want to report to the credit bureaus, make sure that you do more research. And I'm going to let you know these different companies, but make sure you do more research to find out if this is a fit for you. Now let's jump right on into it. I'm going to show you guys my screen with all of the different companies that you guys can apply for. Account that I want to talk to you guys about is the Sezzle account. So with this account, you guys, I applied for it and they gave me a $200 limit initially. Now I bought something for $25 and when I bought the item for $25, I paid my bill off, because in order for you to be able to get this account to report to the credit bureaus, you need to have some type of bill. So I went ahead and paid my bill off, and after I paid my bill off, they gave me a $400 limit. So let's go and look at my account, because I have my account open for you guys to see. So my credit limit right now is $400. You can still see that $25.92 right here, but it's paid off. So usually when you pay your bill, it take a few days for them to actually process it. So that's probably what they're doing right there, but it's going to go back to $400. So I just bought something because you have to buy something to sign up for the Sezzle up. So they got the regular one where they do not report to the credit bureaus, but just by getting this account, it's not going to report. The only way it's going to report is if you actually spend something, you actually buy something, then it report to the credit bureaus. But definitely, you guys, go ahead and just buy something. And I just bought something for $25 and I just left it at that with some makeup wipes, which I can actually use. So definitely, I really want you guys to look into this account, because it's a good account that you can get basically by just paying $25. And you'll have something reporting to the credit bureaus if you're looking for it to report. Now, the next account that I want to talk to you guys about is the Quad Pay. Now, this account is very similar to them. They're going to have the same thing where you could buy it now and pay later. And information on how it works is right here, you guys. And when it comes down to this account, or any of these accounts, make sure you guys are just getting what you can afford, because they have like the same payment plan a lot of times. They're just spacing out your payments. So like your first, second, third, and then your final. So usually they'll split your payment into 4 installments paid over 6 weeks. So definitely make sure that you get something that you can pay off in 6 weeks, because that's what they will require of you. Now, the next one right here is Klarna right here. I want you guys to definitely get the app, because the only way that you can get this if you go ahead and get the app. So when you get the app, you download the app, they can go ahead and approve you right over that app. So I don't have my phone up, but I did want you to know about that company. So definitely go ahead and look that up, you guys. And right here we have Afterpay. Now, when it comes down to Afterpay, I believe this is the one you have to get the app too for them to actually sign you up. My screen is taking a little longer to process. So let's see if I can come here, because this account I definitely want to tell you guys about. I signed up for this account, which they must know I love this perfume. Why are they advertising this to me? They know I love it. That is crazy. But I signed up for this company, but they didn't give me approval right away. So I was like, I have this smell too. But they didn't give me approval right away, so I was kind of nervous. But they sent me an email, and the email said that I got approved for the $2,500. So I'm going to pop that up on the screen. But I was so excited. I was like, oh, thank you, thank you, thank you, because I didn't think that they were going to approve me. And the reason why I was so excited is because I wanted to apply for all these different companies just to show you all how they actually work, and then to tell you guys possibly how much you can get approved for. So I got approved for the $2,500, and with that $2,500, I can go ahead and buy something in the store. Now let's go back and see if the Afterpay is loaded? Yes, it is. So again, you guys, you have the 4 interest-free payments over 6 weeks. This is their new thing. It's like a layaway kind of thing, you guys. But all of these companies are like that. So you can come to Afterpay. You can go ahead and sign up for that. You can sign up for the Affirm account, you guys. And I seen that a lot of women wanted to figure out how to do the buy now, pay here method for purchasing here. And I seen a few companies that had that, you guys. So if you guys are interested in that, you want me to send you those details on those companies that offer that, go ahead and let me know down below. Say, hey, yeah, Rickita, I'm interested in the buy now, pay later here. And I can definitely look that up for you guys a little bit further and get you more companies in addition to the ones I already have. So I guess I kind of told you guys everything there is here. Now, again, when I had my account right here with the Sezzle, when I had my Sezzle account, I literally signed up yesterday. So I signed up yesterday, and I found out that they weren't going to report to the credit bureaus unless I bought something. Because at first my limit was $200. So I bought something for the $25, and then I paid it off right away. Do not sign up for these different things or you not pay it off right away. A lot of times some of these companies can take money out of your bank account. You may give them permission to do that, and that money will be gone just because you wanted to get something. You know what I mean? It's not so urgent for you to get certain things if you can't afford it. So definitely keep that in mind, you guys. And if you guys have problems with like your credit, you need somebody to help you remove like the negative items in your credit because you're trying to build your credit. You want to get a car, you're trying to buy a house. Definitely let me know. I'm going to go ahead and drop my details so you can contact me about the credit repair. I have the application down below so that I can go ahead and help you with your credit. Now, don't forget, drop the 3 money bags if you want me to make a special video for you. And make sure you guys are subscribed, and make sure you guys are sharing this with your family and friends. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.